apple pie, warm and sweet, fresh from the oven, a yummy treat. B for banana shake, creamy and cool, sip it slowly after school. Sip it slowly after school. C for cherry cake, bright and red, so tasty everyone is fed. D for donut, round and sweet, sprinkles dancing, fun to eat. Sprinkles dancing, fun to eat. E for honey, sunny and bright, healthy breakfast, morning delight. F for french fries, crispy and gold, best snack ever, hot and bold. Best snack ever, hot and bold. G for grapes, purple and green, juicy little fruit so clean. H for honey, sweet and nice, golden drops like sugary spice. Golden drops like sugary spice. I for ice cream, cold and yummy, melting slowly in your tummy. J for juice, orange and sweet, refreshing drink, a fruity treat. Refreshing drink, a fruity treat.